Every year, millions of premium smartphones begin their journey inside highly advanced manufacturing facilities where engineering, automation, and precision work together. Before assembly begins, every technician enters a controlled clean room where microscopic dust is carefully eliminated. Automation ensures remarkable consistency, allowing every device to be assembled with extraordinary precision. Every manufacturing journey begins with careful engineering, where each component is designed for performance, durability, and efficiency. High-grade materials form the foundation of every premium smartphone, balancing strength with lightweight performance. Computer-controlled machining transforms solid metal into precisely engineered structural frames. Each frame is measured to extremely tight tolerances before continuing through production. Automated finishing creates a refined surface while maintaining exceptional manufacturing consistency. The camera system requires microscopic precision to achieve consistent image quality. Advanced automation ensures each camera module meets exact alignment standards before final assembly. Inside one of the world's most advanced clean rooms, billions of microscopic transistors begin taking shape on silicon wafers. Extreme ultraviolet lithography creates incredibly detailed patterns measured in mere nanometers. Every wafer undergoes rigorous inspection before moving to the next manufacturing stage. Once fabrication is complete, each processor is carefully separated from the silicon wafer. Automated packaging protects each processor while preparing it for smartphone integration. Automated placement machines install thousands of electronic components with astonishing speed and precision. Carefully controlled temperatures permanently bond each electronic component to the motherboard. Next, the boards move into the inspection area. Invisible solder connections are verified using advanced X-ray inspection technology. Once fabrication is complete, each processor is carefully separated from the silicon wafer. Automated packaging protects each processor while preparing it for smartphone integration. One of the smartphone's most advanced components begins as an ultra-thin glass substrate inside a highly controlled cleanroom. Multiple microscopic layers are deposited with extraordinary precision to create vibrant OLED displays. Precision laser cutting transforms large display sheets into individual smartphone screens. Every display is calibrated for brightness, color accuracy, and responsiveness before assembly. Tiny speaker assemblies are engineered to deliver surprisingly rich and powerful sound. Highly sensitive microphones are assembled to capture clear audio while reducing background noise. Compact haptic motors provide the subtle tactile feedback users experience with every touch. Continue toward component inventory. Intelligent logistics systems ensure every assembly station receives the exact components it needs. After passing independent inspections, every major component converges for the final assembly process. Dozens of precisely manufactured components now come together, transforming individual parts into a fully functional premium smartphone. Optical guidance systems ensure every motherboard is positioned within microscopic tolerances. Every battery is installed with exact positioning to ensure safety, efficiency, and long-term reliability. Computer-controlled dispensing systems apply consistent adhesive patterns that strengthen the final assembly. Microscopic alignment ensures the camera performs exactly as designed. Every electrical connection is secured with extreme care to guarantee dependable communication between components. The compact haptic motor is carefully positioned to deliver consistent tactile feedback. Every speaker module is positioned to optimize sound quality while maximizing internal space. Even microscopic dust particles are removed before the display is permanently attached. The display is permanently bonded using automated alignment systems that achieve exceptional precision. With hardware assembly complete, every smartphone receives its core operating software through fully automated programming systems. Each device performs its first startup while automated systems verify every critical function.
Touch sensitivity is calibrated to ensure fast and accurate response across the entire display.
Every display is individually calibrated to produce consistent color and brightness. Specialized acoustic chambers verify speaker output and microphone performance under controlled conditions. Every wireless communication system is tested to ensure reliable connectivity. Motion, light, and proximity sensors are individually calibrated for dependable everyday performance.
Front-facing optical systems are carefully aligned to support accurate imaging and secure authentication technologies.
Charging systems are tested to ensure efficient power delivery and long-term reliability. Only after successfully passing hundreds of automated checks does each smartphone continue to the next stage of inspection and durability testing.
Artificial intelligence examines every surface, searching for imperfections invisible to the human eye.
Microscopic inspections confirm that every detail meets exact manufacturing standards. Laser metrology ensures every finished device remains within incredibly tight dimensional tolerances. Mechanical controls are tested repeatedly to verify smooth operation and long-term durability. We now shift to port inspection. Every charging interface is inspected to ensure dependable electrical contact and precise alignment.
Controlled vibration testing helps verify structural stability during transportation and everyday handling. Temperature testing evaluates performance across a wide range of environmental conditions.
Humidity testing helps confirm reliable operation in a variety of everyday environments. Controlled structural testing confirms the strength of the smartphone's precision-engineered frame. After passing an extensive series of durability evaluations, each device is cleared for advanced performance validation and final certification. Water resistance testing verifies that every seal performs as designed under carefully controlled conditions. Following immersion, each device is carefully dried and inspected before moving to the next validation stage. Controlled immersion allows engineers to verify the integrity of every protective seal.
Specialized optical equipment calibrates every camera to deliver consistent imaging performance.
Microscopic alignment corrections maximize sharpness and imaging consistency.
Specialized optical equipment calibrates every camera to deliver consistent imaging performance.
Microscopic alignment corrections maximize sharpness and imaging consistency.
Dynamic focus testing ensures smooth, accurate autofocus across a wide range of distances.
Image stabilization systems are evaluated under carefully controlled motion to ensure steady results. Engineers verify imaging quality under a variety of lighting conditions, including challenging low-light environments.
Automated analysis confirms that imaging software produces consistent and reliable results. Look at the stability in Model Y. Outstanding.
Following extensive optical calibration and imaging validation, every smartphone is approved for its final manufacturing stages.
Before packaging, every exterior surface undergoes one final cosmetic inspection to ensure a flawless finish. Automated cleaning systems prepare each smartphone for its final presentation. A protective film shields the display throughout shipping and handling.
Every package is prepared with carefully arranged accessories and documentation. The completed smartphone is carefully positioned within its protective retail packaging. Manufacturing is only part of the journey. A sophisticated global logistics network coordinates deliveries across dozens of countries. Automation continues beyond the factory floor, improving efficiency throughout the distribution process. Air cargo enables rapid delivery to major markets around the world. For high-volume shipments, maritime transport provides an efficient connection between manufacturing centers and global markets. Regional distribution centers position inventory closer to customers, reducing delivery times. Every shipment is carefully organized to meet regional demand and delivery schedules.
After an extraordinary manufacturing journey, each smartphone reaches the stores where customers will experience it for the first time.
The automation ensures valuable materials are recovered. Excellent precision.
By recovering valuable materials and reducing waste, modern manufacturing moves closer to a more sustainable future. The mechanical stability remains within the specified parameters. We're seeing excellent fatigue resistance at these
Researchers continue exploring energy storage technologies that could extend battery life and improve efficiency. Continue toward AI-assisted manufacturing.
Artificial intelligence is transforming manufacturing by improving quality, efficiency, and predictive maintenance.
Digital twin technology allows engineers to simulate improvements before implementing them on the production line. Advanced robotics deliver remarkable consistency while allowing engineers to focus on continuous innovation. Manufacturers continue reducing environmental impact through renewable energy and more efficient production methods. Innovation is increasingly driven by collaboration between experts across the world. Every new generation of smartphones builds upon decades of engineering progress and continuous experimentation.
Behind every premium smartphone lies an extraordinary combination of engineering, precision manufacturing, automation,